देवियों और सज्जनों, एडमिरल दिनेश कुमार त्रिपाठी नौसेना प्रमुख पधार चुके हैं।
All right, so these two ships that are being commissioned very shortly, we're bringing you the visuals from the commissioning ceremony that is going on right now. The Naval Chief and the Defense Minister both present at the spot for the...
requested to rise and greet the Honorable Defense Minister after the inspection of guard.
देवियों और सज्जनों, हम आज के प्रवर्तीकरण समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि भारत के माननीय रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी के आगमन का
is
इंतजार
about
कर
to
रहे हैं।
arrive at the ceremony which will dedicate these two frigates to the Indian Navy. Shivani is back with me on the line on this story. Shivani, we were talking about what impact these frigates and the growth of this entire class of frigates is going to have on India's naval capacities. Could you please tell our viewers about what they are meant to do for the Indian Navy? Shivani.
See, Anisha, when it comes to the stealth frigates, they are multi-operational frigates. They are sleek. They are smaller in size when it is compared with the destroyers. But these are the most capable warships that the Indian Navy has in for the future operations too. We've already seen that Indian Navy has been enhancing its prowess, its capabilities in terms of multilateral exercises, the maritime diplomacy that we call it, and also operations like Operation Sindoor that we've seen very recently, where we saw that multiple assets of the Indian Navy, including the warships, the submarines, the stealth frigates, the destroyers, they were all aggressively positioned in the Northern Arabian Sea. They kept Pakistan at its knees, especially when it comes to the maritime domain. So there can be a number of operations into which these Project 17A stealth frigates will be deployed. Not only this, when we see that the Indian Ocean region, where the Chinese have been flexing their muscles of late, so there is a requirement of our warships there, which are positioned, that patrol, that are not only securing our maritime borders, but also create deterrence in this whole maritime region. So in the blue waters, now we have two more stealth frigates, INS Udaygiri, INS Himgiri. We see the direct commissioning ceremony that is happening in Vishakhapatnam, where Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is also present. The Chief of Navy is out there, and many other officials from the Indian Navy are also present at this moment. And also the shipbuilding companies, the GRSC and the DL representatives are also present when the commissioning is going on, Anisha. So this is an important day. Remember, the first of this P-17 Project stealth frigate was INS Nilgiri, and it was commissioned in Mumbai by Prime Minister Narendra Modi this year in the month of January. So very rapidly, on a very fast pace, the Indian Navy is adding to its strength. It is adding its assets, and these stealth frigates will definitely be deployed in multiple operations, be it the maritime security, the exercises, the operations, complex operations, because they are stealth in nature. They cannot be caught by the enemy radars, and they have best technology on board.
All right, Shivani, if you can tell us a little more about the technology that's on board these frigates. You've mentioned that they are capable of hosting the BrahMos missile, the Barak missiles, which will be India's top firepower. But apart from that, what else have we done with these ships? We seem to have lost the connection to Shivani. We'll get her back on the line. On your screen, viewers, right now is the cavalcade of the Defense Minister, who's just coming into the this ceremony that is being held at Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh right now. The Udaygiri and the Himgiri are being inducted into the Indian Navy. Their commissioning ceremony will be beginning any second now, and you can see on your screens right now the Defense Minister has reached.
Ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest of today's commissioning ceremony, the Honorable Defense Minister of India, Shri Rajnath Singh, has arrived at the venue.
देवियों और सज्जनों, आज के प्रवर्तीकरण समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि भारत के माननीय रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी कार्यक्रम स्थल पर पधार चुके हैं। माननीय रक्षा मंत्री अब गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर का निरीक्षण करेंगे।